Oblation Run!
Fighting Maroots!
Isaw!
Sunken Garden.
Lantern Parade!
Utak!
Puso!
UP!
Pasok ka rito!
Tara sa kwentuhang may utak.
Kwentuhang may puso.
UP atin to!
Magandang araw mga kasali! Oras na para gisingin ang diwang inaantok ngayong tanghalian. Ako si Helena Basilio, isang intern na magte-take over muna bilang host sa ating espesyal na programa ngayon sa DZUP 1602. At alam nyo ba, nako, kasama nyo rin po ako, syempre, sa ating chikahan o yung kwentuhan natin na puno ng sigla at tugtugan na tungkol sa, syempre, ang ating industriyang musika at mga danas ng ating mga isko musikero. Very exciting to kasi madami tayong mapag-uusapan kasama din ng ating dalawang very special guests po na may isi-share na kwentong puno ng utak at syempre kwentong may puso na rin dito lamang sa UP atin to. Ngayon, pwede po tayo sumali din sa ating diskusyon kasi naka-live tayo on air sa ating mga radyo sa DZUP 1602 at sa dzup.org. Pati na rin sa DZUP official YouTube channel at Facebook page. Since naka-livestream din tayo dyan, pwede po tayo mag-share ng sarili nating tanong or actually mga greetings at pagsagot dun sa ating Share Mo Yarn question of the day na paano mo nga ba malalaman kung ang isang bagay o career path ay para sa'yo talaga? Mamaya-maya maririnig natin ang inyong mga kasagutan at syempre sagot din ng ating special guest at mga iba pang isko dito sa UP Diliman. Ngayon, very exciting to, no? Kasi nabanggit ko na kanina, meron din tayong mga jamming session na magaganap. Kasi dito sa ating very special episode, pinamagatan natin to na tamang track ba to ang danas ng isang isko musikero sa kwento ni na Lumi at Johnny Tries To. Very exciting kasi ang isa din sa kanila ay handang-handa na tayo haranahin bago tuluyang magpakilala. Ngayon, kasama natin ang isang 22-year-old singer-songwriter at producer na isa ding estudyante sa UP College of Fine Arts. Mga kasali, eto na. Para sa unang salang ng Track Tunes, si Lumi.
Track Tunes. Nawawala ko, hindi ko maintindihan kung saan ako nagkamali. Ikaw ba ako? Aasa pa ba sa'yo? Aasa pa ba ako? Akala ko ikaw na, pangarap na di matupad. Na sana ikaw na, sa'yo lang ako nagmahal. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit pagmahal ka natin ka nawawala. Sa piling ng iba ka lang pala mapupunta. Kung pwede lang siguro balikan sa simula.
gosh, everyone, Lumi! Hey, formerly known as Lucas Miguel. Once again, proud isko?
Proud isko.
Proud artista ng bayan?
Uy, syempre.
Syempre. Welcome sa DZUP.
Yeah, thank you for
UP atin to. Ngayon, di ba kanina nabanggit ko? Very special. Double the special tayo actually. Kasi meron tayong isa pang kasama ngayon na proud artista ng bayan din tulad ni Lumi. Guys, isa din siyang proud artist na tinatawag sarili niyang unapologetically pop with a bright and upbeat sound. Alam niyo ba kung sino siya? Okay. So, bagong lahat, nagsimula siya actually bilang isang producer. Noong 2013, 2014 pa, nabanggit din niya kanina. Pero ang first ever song daw na nasulat niya ay actually 2017 pa, senior high school. Di ba? Tama. Ayan, nakirinig na natin
Rinig
siya.
na, guys.
Sumugdog na rin siya before sa UP Fair 2024, Pop Rising, UP Pride 2023, at iba pang mga entablado. At mamaya-maya, tutugtog din siya para sa atin dito sa UP atin to. Let's welcome Johnny Tries to!
Hey! Hello!
Yay! Welcome sa inyong dalawa. Welcome ulit sa DZUP 1602. Try nga natin, after sabihin DZUP 1602, sabay natin sabihin na, kasali ka.
Kasali ka.
Pwede ba?
Yes.
Welcome sa DZUP 1602.
Kasali ka.
Ay, ready na tayo dyan. Pero alam nyo, behind the scenes, diba? Narinig na natin yung songs nyo. You guys are also up on Spotify. Tama, diba?
Yes.
Pero, minsan ganun na, maliligaw ka sa Spotify, maririnig mo yung artist, di mo alam, oy, ito pa lang si Lumi, fine art student sa UP. Ito pa lang si Johnny, living the corpo life din, di ba?
Yes.
Pero para sa inyong dalawa, kung babalikan natin yung college tracks nyo, kung may soundtrack yon, anong magiging soundtrack ng college life nyo?
Siguro Burnout by Sugar Free.
Ikaw, undergrad pa, no? So, nafe-feel mo yun ngayon?
Parang, shucks, hindi ko na kaya. Pero kakayanin.
Kakayanin, no? But being an artist also, nafe-feel mo ba na parang nakakadagdag bigat siya medyo, na you're living a double life?
Yeah, parang nagugulat nga sila na fine art student ako eh. Parang talaga? Akala ko...
Ako din nagulat din ako.
Diba? Parang, I thought you're doing music, bababa. Pero mabigat siya kasi dahil nga fine arts yung course ko, tapos may music pa ako, kailangan yung creative energy medyo divided. So, mahirap siyang i-balance. So, ayun.
Gets. Pero kung ikaw, feeling mo nagulat na din mga tao sa'yo, at least somehow, no, creative to creative.
Yeah.
Johnny, ikaw, BS Psychology graduate 2019, tama?
Yes.
Hindi ba nakakagulat din yun, super duper?
Nakakagulat. Pero to be fair, marami kasi akong friends na musicians din talaga sa psych actually.
That's why. So, somehow you would say like yung social circles niyo din naman kasi is very...
I would say creative.
Creative pa rin. And
yes.
Did you think that helped you?
Well, in the music world, parang you magugulat ka because most artists they're not studying music. Like
That's
they
true.
study something else na parang debatably more secure or something like that. Pero parang mas pinupursige nila yung passion nila eh. Because that's what they love to do. So, yeah.
So, for you guys, what would you say is yung parang drive nyo sa pag-pursue pa rin ng music while living this other life na kayo na rin nagsabi for visual arts, for HR, tama, you're working, di ba?
Yes.
In HR.
Yes, so very comfortable ako makipag-usap sa ibang tao. Pero right now, kasi may work, it's more of people from other countries. Kaya siguro, mas comfortable ako sa English. Wow.
Okay, gets. Pero, wait, is that why most of your songs, English sila?
To be fair, for some reason, mas makapag-express ako ng emotions or feelings in English. Pero I've been really trying to write in Filipino. Actually, in my native language, in my latest release, may Hiligaynon song ako kasi I'm from Negros Occidental.
Wow.
It's my first Hiligaynon song. So parang pakinggan niya na lang siya.
Papakinggan natin yan. At mamaya-maya, diba, may mapapakinggan nga talaga tayo sa'yo. Dalawang song sa ating susunod na track tunes. Pero ikaw, Lumi, may question din. Bilang isang student pa nga, meron bang anything memorable na, alam mo yun, na moment in your college life na na-feel mong, feeling ko magagamit ko to as inspiration in my music?
Sobrang dami.
Talaga?
Magbigay ka ng 5.
Oh, 5.
5
Or
na,
kahit 2.
2 na inspirations for my music. Moments
Or
within
parang-
college or
as a student.
siguro yung yung pag nagko-commute ka, tapos nakikinig ka sa music, tapos parang nasa movie ka, ganon. Alam mo yun? Pang-cope ng
Universal experience.
Yeah. Yung siksikan na kasi nasa jeep, 'di ba? Tapos may music ka na lang. Tapos kung wari may pinagdadaanan ka.
Pero kunwari nga lang ba
Kunwari
talaga?
lang.
Ay,
Ayun lang.
yun lang.
Ayun lang.
Pero gets yun, no? Yung uso yun ngayon, 'di ba? Yung pag-romanticize daw ng buhay mo.
Yeah.
True.
Pero feeling nyo ba, nangyayari yun too much, men? Ako kasi, personally feeling ko wala namang masyadong, parang di siya masama.
Yeah.
Ganun yung trip mo
Yeah.
talaga sa buhay.
Yes.
Kayo bilang creatives, 'di ba? That's something that, parang goal nyo nga.
I feel like you have to
Somehow?
do it.
Oo.
Parang
Do what you gotta do.
yeah, para makagawa ng art or music, kailangan mong i-romanticize yung situation mo or something. Kasi, paano ba? It's a way to make it into something you can hold, you can grasp. Tapos translate it into, a song or a piece of art.
Oo. Ang
Yeah.
ganda nun.
Mm-mm.
So parang, kaya hindi ka dapat nag-hold back, no, sa nararamdaman mo and stuff like
Yeah.
that. And even, ikaw nga, Lumi, yung example mo kanina, diba? Yung nasa commute ka, ganyan-ganyan. Something so mundane, pero nakakahanap ka ng inspiration doon. Pero ikaw, Johnny, in a working setting, kasi since graduate ka na nga, you're there, right? You're fully adulting ba, masasabi natin?
Ayoko pa siya aminin, pero maybe I would say so.
But at least you're in this chapter of life na corpo world talaga ang ginagalawan mo. Paano ka
Sadly.
nakakahanap ng moments of inspiration kung ganun?
I would say outside the mundane parang day-to-day tasks of corpo life, dun ko nahahanap yung time to really explore, siguro I would say, the world parang and romanticize yung experiences ko. Kasi what are stories kung walang drama?
Oh. Oo nga naman.
So parang in a way, parang I'm not saying to blow your stories out of proportion, pero if it's something you feel deeply, dapat mo siyang malabas, diba?
Yeah.
Do what you
So
gotta do.
masasabi nyo ba na parang kahit ganyan, you're super living this corpo life, ikaw, well, student, at least creative, parang medyo malayo yung courses or yung mundong ginagalawan nyo from music, especially with work in visual arts, pero somehow, may motivation pa rin kayo to do music. Paano? Saan nyo nahanap yung motivation na yun?
I think yung music yung nagiging pahinga ko from like the academic world and working. It's a way for me to unwind and relax. It's a way for me to let off steam, parang ganun. Kasi lethargic din siya eh. Parang therapeutic din, kasi when you're making music, nilalabas mo yung mga parang nafe-feel mo. You've been keeping it inside. So parang this is a way to like get it off my chest. Parang ganun.
Yes.
So, parang ine-embrace nyo yun na malayo nga talaga tong inaaral ko, tong workplace ko.
Yes.
And that's completely okay.
Yeah.
So, kung babalikan natin, ito medyo advanced. Diba kanina meron tayo nung title ng episode natin na tamang track ba to? Paano mo malalaman kung para sa'yo ba talaga ang isang bagay o isang career path? Sa inyo, nafe-feel nyo yun na parang kahit ang daming, anong nafe-feel nyo? Na ang daming paths na nakalatag for you guys. Diba? Meron kang for Lumi, pagiging student, pagiging artist, pagiging for both of you guys, diba? Family, friends. Ang dami nating roles na pwedeng i-prioritize at tahakin. Parang paano nyo nalalaman kung ano yung dapat i-prioritize or tahakin ng buo? Or kailangan nga ba talaga isa lang yung pipiliin pag ganun?
Go.
Sige. I would say, kasi, from the name, Johnny Tries To. Yung philosophy ko in life is to really just explore and try everything. For example, in my music, I wouldn't say genre ko is this. I would say pop, yung genre ko talaga. Pero it's a little bit of everything din eh. Kasi, ewan ko, we should be always, ako personal philosophy ko to, we should always be viewing life as a bigger picture na parang kung anong gusto mong tahakin, that might be what you want now, pero don't close off other doors. Ganon yung sa akin lang naman.
Parang continuing to try.
Yeah, Johnny tries. Johnny is trying.
That's true. So, kanina na somehow na sagot mo na rin naman, Lumi, yun, no? Yung parang hatak din ng music sa'yo na dun ka nakakakuha ng pahinga.
Yeah.
For you, Johnny.
Yes.
Anong hatak ng music nga sa'yo? That's why you keep trying and trying.
I would say, it's been something in my life ever since. Kwento ko lang din, short kwento. My parents met sa choir. So parang ever since talaga, music talaga yung
buhay
ko talaga siya.
Okay.
And parang lately ko lang siya na parang napagtuunan ng pansin. Wow, napagtuunan ng pansin. And parang, ewan ko, it's similar to Lumi. Parang it's a way for me to get something off my chest or to let off steam, ganon. Kasi very mundane nga yung tasks of corpo life. Imagine seeing Excel sheets every day, emails, oh my God.
It's true.
Sorry. Pero yeah, ayun, parang I can't even, but when I'm in the zone, when I'm making music, di ko nga mamalayan na like it's 5 hours na pala.
Yeah.
Talaga?
Diba?
Yeah.
Oo, parang nagulat na ako. Tapos, may
parang
araw
sobrang lock-in ka na lang na biglang, 5 a.m. na pala.
Ang galing. Kasi somehow people say na parang music is an escape pag nakikinig ka, diba?
Yeah.
Kayo bilang yung mga tagalikha talaga nun, ganun din pala nafe-feel nyo pag ginagawa nyo talaga siya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
We kind of go into a little world of our own, I would say.
Okay, ang ganda na. Okay, so mamaya, balita ko, diba, you're also doing how many years ka pa ba, Lumi, for undergrad? Sensitive question.
Medyo. But,
or at least parang hindi ka pa gagraduate, ano?
Hindi pa.
Okay, so ma-embrace mo pa yung full student life na yan.
Yes.
Diba? So kung bibigyan ka ng choice, gusto mong tumakas na?
Gusto kong graduate na.
Takas talaga.
Graduate.
Tama, gets. O sige, mamaya-maya, mas lalo pa natin lalaliman yung actual student life na yan with Lumi and Johnny tries to. Pati na rin ang usapang student-led productions and other stages na natakil na rin nila bilang mga musikero. Kaya ito na, sa ating pagbabalik, lalaliman pa nga natin ang ating usapan o kwentuhang may utak, kwentuhang may puso. At ngayon ay may boses na rin dito sa DZUP 1602, UP atin to. Abangan din natin mamaya kasi meron tayong maisha-share na pulso ng sambayanan sa ating Share Mo Yarn question of the day. Na ano nga ulit yon? Paano mo malalaman kung ang isang bagay o ang isang career path ay para sa'yo talaga? Okay? So again, pwede po natin i-comment ang ating mga sagot or kahit nga sariling katanungan sa ating Facebook live stream or pati na rin sa ating YouTube channel. Kaya wag po kayong lilipat ng pinapakinggan himpilan dahil magbabalik pa tayo dito sa DZUP 1602 UP atin to.
Halika na't makinig sa DZUP 1602. Tayo na't makinig sa DZUP 1602. Ikaw ako tayo sa DZUP 1602. Kasali ka.
Magandang araw, klase. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa mga tunog ng mga hayop. Juana, ibahagi mo sa klase ang tunog ng aso.
Meow.
Kung ganun, ano ang tunog ng pusa?
Moo. Moo.
Juana, saan mo naman natutunan ng mga bagay na yan?
Nabasa ko po sa internet eh.
Huwag basta-bastang maniniwala sa nababasa sa internet. Isang paalala mula sa DZUP 1602, kasali ka.
Pasok ka rito.
Tara sa kwentuhang may utak.
Kwentuhang may puso.
UP atin to.
Share mo yarn.
Malalaman mo na ang career path na to ay para sa'yo kapag aligned talaga siya sa mga values and priorities mo sa buhay.
I don't think you'll know that it's exactly for you, but you'll be able to feel it because it's something that you will enjoy and it's something that will able to sustain your lifestyle.
Para sa'yo yung isang career path kapag napapagod ka, pero pag gising mo kinabukasan, nare-replenish yung energy mo para gawin pa rin yung ano yung gusto mo talagang gawin sa buhay.
Pag gising mo, feeling mo na may rason ka para tumayo at mag-continue sa araw mo. Yun yung time na siguro yun na yung tamang career path kasi parang meron kang ginagawa at pinatutunguhan araw-araw.
When working doesn't feel like working and it feels more natural to you.
Share mo yarn!
Muling pagbati mga kasala dito sa DZUP 1602. Kasali ka. Ako po si Helena Basilio. Kasama niyo pa rin isang intern na nagte-take over muna bilang host dito sa ating very special episode ng UP Atin To. Isang kwentuhan na merong utak, merong puso, at ngayon ay meron boses na rin. Ang tanong, 'di ba? Meron tayong share mo yarn question of the day kanina. Paano mo nga ba malalaman kung ang isang track o isang bagay ay para sa'yo talaga? Dito sa ating episode na pinamagatang, tamang track ba to ang danas ng Isko Musikero sa mga kwento ni Lumi at Johnny Tries To? Kaya handang-handa na rin tayo actually bigyan ng very special performance ng ating susunod na guest artist na nabanggit na din niya kanina, diba? Ine-embrace ang kanyang pagka-unapologetically pop at ang kanyang bright and upbeat sound. So mga kasali, ituloy na natin ang musikang Isko. Narito na si Johnny Tries To para sa Track Tunes.
Track Tunes. Hello everyone, this is Johnny and this is what you want.
Hey, do you think about me? Do you think about all the times that you deliberately ignore the love that intersect you? Hey, were you really in love? Or do you ever just remember me? And now whenever you are lonely, I don't know what I'll do when you say that you like me, because I get so confused of what you want or if you want it. Do you wanna be lovers? Do you wanna be friends? The clock is ticking and I still cannot pretend I don't like you. I don't know what you want. I don't wanna wake up, no, I don't want to end. Cause my heart's beating so fast, I cannot defend why I like you. I don't know what you want.
You don't know what you want.
Hey, I just want you to know that I really don't have all day to wait. So come on, just tell me I won't hate. I don't know what I'll be like when you say that you like me, because you are confused. Baby, you're just confused of what you want or if you want me. Do you wanna be lovers? Do you wanna be friends? The clock is ticking and I still cannot pretend I don't like you. I don't know what you want. I don't wanna wake up, no, I don't want us to end. This heart's beating so fast, I cannot defend why I like you. I don't know what you want. I don't know what you want.
Okay, so this next song is titled Friends or Foes, and this is from my latest release, Brand New Day. So check it out on all streaming platforms.
Whispers in the night, I can feel your breath behind. Standing in the light, if we're cool then why the knife? I can see your eyes as they scan the room behind. What secrets do they hide? 3, 2, shadows screams drive. I hate you but I want your life. Were you really on my side? Or do you keep keeping all your secrets, give it all. Just wanna be your friend, I give my all. Why be me if you feel me squeaky clean? I know where you've been. In the shadows where you thrive. I hate you but I want you. Hate you but I want you. Really on my side. You keep behind the smile. In the shadows, somebody really wants to know. Friends are foes. Somebody really wants to know. Do you really wanna know who it was we're playing, girl? Do you really wanna know? I wanna be a friend, not a foe. Do you really wanna know? Do you really wanna know who it was we're playing, girl? Do you really wanna know? I wanna be a friend, not a foe. Thank you, everyone. I am Johnny Tries To, and thank you very much.
Yay! Johnny Tries To! Mga kasali, ito po siya. Thank you very much din sa iyong very unapologetically pop performance.
very
Ang
much.
galing, ang galing! So that means meron na tayong narinig na dalawang guest artist dito sa ating UP Atin 2 episode. Once again, Johnny Tries To at si Lumi. We love. Oh. So you guys,
Yes.
galing nyo ha? Grabe, ang galing.
Thank you.
Na ano, yung sinulatan mo no, naging friend or foe nga ba talaga?
Uy.
That is an ongoing investigation.
pero meron naman ano, 'di ba? Ganun talaga no, like what you guys said kanina, meron tayong mga nakukuhang inspirasyon dun sa mga moments, mga taong nami-meet from college, from work, kahit malayo, kahit nasasabing gano'n, no, malayo yung courses, meron tayong mahahatak na magagamit natin dun sa nililikha nating music.
Yes.
Diba? Galing! Pero ito, may tanong ako sa inyong dalawa. Kay Lumi muna, ikaw unang sasagot.
Okay.
Kailan nyo ba na-feel na parang etong pinupursue ko sa music, para sa akin talaga to? Overall, pwede mo din sagutin na paano mo nga ba nalalaman kung ang isang career path ay para sa'yo talaga?
I think for me, nalaman ko nung kinikrave ko siya kahit sobrang stressful niya.
Ooh.
Like, kahit pagod na ako, gusto ko pang magsulat, gusto ko pang mag-produce. Parang that was the telltale sign na parang, baka ito yung gusto kong gawin. Kasi it doesn't feel like work. Kahit na work siya, parang it feels like you're still having fun and, you know, all that.
Ang gandang sagot nun, no? Work that doesn't feel like work. Yung parang kahit nga pinagpupuyatan mo minsan, lalo na sa mga gigs, no? Parang kapag natapos siya, may energy ka pa rin. Ganun ba?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, ikaw, Johnny Tries To.
I would say two-pronged fork. Two-pronged fork? Dalawa lang. For music, I would say, ewan ko, it's similar to Lumi. Parang, it's somewhere I'm very comfortable in a world na filled with music and creativity. Kasi, ayun nga, as I mentioned earlier, my whole life has been filled with music talaga. And parang ngayon ko lang siya na-hone yung aking skills with that. And parang, for music, I've been craving doing a lot more, basically. Trying more.
Trying more!
Lagi ka talaga napapasok si Johnny Tries To.
Talaga.
Pero, yeah, yun talaga yung reason but yun yung artist name ko. Pero, yeah, for corpo life naman, you gotta make some money. Music doesn't pay your bill.
At least not yet.
Not yet. Not yet. Ayun. So parang, yeah, it's, at least for music, I would say, parang, it's a passion. Very sagot. Very, lagi na lang naririnig.
Passion talaga.
Pero passion ko talaga siya, and kahit nga pagod tayo, we always have to find time. Mas mahirap lang siya ngayon talaga. Kasi working na ako, and parang ang hirap na maghanap ng time for it.
Pero even with those challenges, nakaka-feel ba kayo ng doubts na parang, itutuloy ko pa ba to?
Lagi.
Parang all the time.
Always.
Parang walang time na hindi mo yun mafe-feel as an artist.
Am I good enough?
Yeah.
Diba?
And honestly, I feel like it might, parang that doubt does get worse as you go up and up sa ano. Kasi parang there's more pressure, there's more people watching, so there's this need to meet their expectations.
To impress them.
Yeah.
Tapos parang minsan mapapaisip, do you guys relate? Na parang minsan mapapaisip ka na parang kailangan yung ginagawa ko ngayon as much as possible, diba, as artists, it's an expression of your identity.
Right.
Pero minsan, parang, para sa kanila dapat.
Or parang, should I make my story relatable to them or should I make it personal to me? Parang, it's always finding a middle ground between. Kasi syempre, songs are interpreted by the audience, diba? So parang you need to find siguro a middle ground of storytelling and trying to convey universal experience.
Tsaka it's also how you would define yourself as an artist. Kasi parang, if you're an artist who makes music for people, then you were gonna make music for people. If you make music for yourself, then that's what you want to do. Yes. It really depends on who you are.
So, ikaw, Lumi, who are you? How would you describe your identity, no? Lalo na, sige, kanina you said parang how would you describe or how you would want to identify yourself as an artist. That's what's also important. Pero especially ikaw bilang student artist then, parang how do you, saan mo nilulugar sarili mo, kumbaga?
Parang yun yung, that is one of the hardest questions to ask or to answer as an artist. Kasi parang every day hinahanap mo pa rin sarili mo eh. Like hindi mo pa rin alam kung saan ka lulugar, ganyan. And I think that's what makes an artist because you're always trying to explore and find your ground and stuff like that.
Always trying.
Always trying.
Wow, we love that.
And it can be different because I know some people who really know what they want to do and stuff, and that's good for them. There's also people that I know who have no idea what they're doing, but they're still making music, and it's like, you know, it's a journey. You know, it's the journey, not the destination.
Wow. It's the process,
so,
not the product.
Kung nandun nga tayo sa track, whatever track you take, kasi diba tamang track ba to yung episode? Parang whatever track you take, at least you're there. Hindi naman ganun kabigat yung mga nangyayari. Kung saan ka papunta, kasi na-perform ka along whatever track you take.
I think kahit gano'n man kabigat, if you feel like this is what you're called to do, you're gonna take on that, you know, the hindi naman burden pero the responsibility. For example, ako I'm a student. This is what, you know, I was assigned to become. but then there's some other things that I want to do. I want to be an artist, I want to perform, I want to make music. You have to carry both responsibilities, you know?
Tama.
Yes. So,
ikaw, Johnny tries to. So parang, yun nga, paano mo masasabi or ano yung bumubuo sa identity mo as kung si Lumi ay student artist, ikaw ay ano ba?
Corpo
artist.
Corpo slave artist.
Uy, pero ang daming ganun, di ba?
Marami.
Sobrang daming ganun.
Halos lahat ng artists ganun.
May day job talaga.
Gulat nga ako.
Parang Batman, like sa umaga,
may gig
worker
sa gabi,
ka,
no?
tapos sa gabi, you know, musician ka.
Natatawa nga ako, who would have known? May mga friends ako like, accountant ka?
Actually.
Parang, pero ako personally, I don't know if it's something universal, pero I want to separate it talaga kasi. Like yung personal and yung professional and music life ko. Kasi it's hard to, if you want to focus talaga on your music and like really earn money, it's a hard, I would say, journey up there, and parang kailangan mo talaga maglaan ng time. So I try not to I give time to my music, but I don't want to pressure myself too much to really fit in a certain expectation mold. Yeah. And as artists siguro naman, over time, we are always evolving, and parang it really depends kung kailan mo ko tatanungin.
Bagay na bagay talaga sa yung pangalan mo. So parang ayaw mo kasi ma-box din sa parang iisang identity lang mo. You really want to keep trying, exploring.
Yes.
Ang galing. Pero nung panahon na pre-2019, nung nag-aaral ka pa, yung mga
graduate ako 2023.
2023. Okay.
2019 ako nag-start.
Batch 2019 ka. Tama. So, pre-2023, during your undergrad season or chapter, nung ikaw yung nasa posisyon ni Lumi na nabanggit niya kanina, diba, nagbabalance, na ina-uphold pa rin yung mga responsibilidad niya bilang estudyante, bilang artist, paano mo nagawa yun?
Paano ko nga ba nagawa yun?
Kasi diba, nag-ano ka na rin, nag-UP Pride, nag-UP Fair ka din na,
nag-perform ako for a lot, hindi naman a lot, pero may mga events.
Meron, diba? So, paano yun?
And all the while, parang, student leader sa orgs. Yung mga ganun. Tapos may mga, syempre mga requirements ko na ginagawa. I would say at that time, I was just really parang dipping my toes in the water. Wow! Yung gumaganon talaga ako sa tubig. Kasi I'm really just, ayan na naman sa trying. Just word of the day, trying. Pero I was just really trying out kung okay ba sa akin to. So parang, dun ko na feel na parang, I like performing. I like sharing my music to people. I want people to relate to my music. Kaya siguro, andito pa rin ako until now na parang still making music, still releasing, ganun.
Wow, and speaking of still releasing.
Yes.
Meron ba kaming maaabangan sa inyo?
Ikaw, Lumi.
I have a single coming out.
You heard it first.
Yeah.
DZUP
and then after that, I have an album coming out.
Album!
Yeah.
Debut album?
Debut album.
Kasi EP yung last mo.
Yeah.
Solid.
Yeah.
For Johnny Tries to?
My latest release, Brand New Day. Tawag dito, it's a 4-song EP and dapat summer release siya pero the Virgo in me got a hold of me. So
tama.
It's been released na on Spotify, on all streaming platforms, I would say. One song there is Friends or Foes, yung narinig nyo kanina sa performance, and a remix of What You Want, pop rock remix kasi. And it's featuring a Singaporean guitarist, si Ethan Ang. So,
wow.
Shout out, Ethan.
Shout out.
Yes. I don't know if you'll ever see this. Shout out to you. Pero yes, ayun yung sa akin.
Very, very exciting. At alam nyo, mas nakaka-appreciate. Ganun pag nalalaman mo yung kwento sa likod ng mga artist ng mga pinapakinggan natin, nakakadagdag siya ng appreciation.
Yeah.
Mas nakikilala namin kayo at kayo din somehow sana mas nakilala sarili sa usapan natin. Pero hindi pa tapos yan. Diba? Mamaya meron pa tayong mas malalim na discussion. Pagdating naman sa parang post-grad life. Post-grad life. Pero may laro din tayo actually. Pampabalance. Yin and yang, kumbaga, diba? Pero thank you guys sa mga lahat ng shinare ninyo kanina. Very deep and personal stories na tunay ngang nag-prove na hindi pala lahat ng parang hindi tayo iisang experience lang. Hindi tayo iisang track lang din ng pinagdadaanan. Actually, feel ko kahit hindi nasa industriya ng music, makaka-relate pa rin dun sa mga na-share niya, lalo na about yung paghanap ng identity natin at yung mga ganyan. At yung pag-balance talaga ng mga different responsibilities. So mamaya-maya, we're gonna have more of this pa siguro. Mga kasali, tuloy lang ang programa dahil magpapalaro din tayo sa ating mga isko at iska around UP Diliman. Kaya makikilala kaya nila ang mga ating UP isko musikero or mga artists na proud tulad nila Lumi at Johnny Tries to. Proud artista ng bayan din. Abangan natin yan mamaya-maya sa track test on the street. Okay, so ready kayo guys? Mamaya din magbabalik ang kwentuhang may utak, may puso at ngayon ay may boses na rin. Dito lamang sa UP atin to ng DZUP 1602. Kasali ka!
Halika na pakinig sa DZUP 1602.
Pwede ba dito? Okay lang yan, para mas may lalakarin. Ayun, tapos kagabi, next ko ulit si Crush.
O tapos?
Tapos, inamin ko na crush ka siya. Tapos sabi...
Bitin ba? Mas malungkot naman kung mabibitin lang ang buhay mo dahil lang hindi ka tumawid sa tamang tawiran. Gumamit ng mga footbridge o kaya naman ng pedestrian lane para makaiwas disgrasya. Isang paalala mula sa DZUP 1602, kasali ka.
Pasok ka rito!
Tara sa kwentuhang may utak.
Kwentuhang may puso.
UP atin to.
Track test on the street.
Panapanahon ang pagkakataon.
Oh my God!
Oh.
Sorry.
Sino nga ba ang mga UP artists sa likod ng kantang ito? Laro tayo ng track test on the street.
Wait, sino to?
Wait. Ewan ko, John Dano, I don't know.
Got my head in the clouds, just trying to come down from this blue. I'm rain falling for you.
I'm falling for you. This is Clouds by Any Names, okay? Yeah.
Kailangan ko ikaw dito sa piling ko. Kailangan ko madama ang pag-ibig mo. Okay, tagal din kitang minahal. Okay, tagal din kitang mamahalin.
This is probably Orange and Lemon.
Tama na ang drama. Ha ha ha. Tama ka na.
Tony Fowler.
Kapag magulo na ang mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko.
Amiel Sol.
Ito yung kapa na 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 na.
Alam ko yung kanta pero di ko alam yung artist. Ano ba yan?
Lift your head, baby. Don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way.
That's Evans.
You're the moon that glows in the sky, lighting up the world when it's blue.
Oh, I don't remember this band. Oh my God.
The Ridleys.
Oh, pala!
Track test on the street.
Mga kasali, oras na para dalin ang saya ng track test on the street. Dito naman sa track test in the DZUP Studio. Ayan, kasama po natin si Lumi at si Johnny Tries to para subukan ang inyong galing sa pag-recognize ng mga kantang sasabihin namin. Pero may twist to, may twist to.
Okay.
Diba usually ginagawa natin parang, ang tawag dito, huhulaan natin yung title, yung artist, ganyan-ganyan. Pero ang ginawa natin ngayon ay kumuha tayo ng international songs, okay, Western music, tinranslate siya sa Filipino.
Okay.
So kailangan nyo ngayon hulaan kung sino yung artist and yung title.
Good luck sa atin.
Ready ba kayo?
Okay.
O, sample.
Paunahan ba to?
Anto, sample, sanggol.
Baby.
Okay.
So, each of you, bibigyan namin ng 10 seconds para sagutin
Okay.
yung isang tanong. Meron lang kayong 3 songs na matetest.
Sige.
Okay, game. So, Lumi, ikaw muna ang unang
Go,
sasama.
Lumi.
Okay? Ready ka?
Sakto lang. Okay na. Game na.
Ano ang favorite song mo ngayon?
Puro local eh.
Okay lang, go.
Akin by Lumi.
Lumi! Salita ako. Recent. May 30 na release yan, di ba?
May 30.
May 30.
Very recent pala.
Recent. Oh, bet ko rin yan. Tingnan natin kung mabebatan mo rin ba ang mga ito. Sasabihin ko. So, babasahin natin siya. Again, 10 seconds to answer. Okay. Baka relate ka dito. Nagtatrabaho ako ng gabi dahil ako ay isang mang-aawit.
Sabrina Carpenter.
Song.
Ano yung title?
9.
Oh my gosh.
8.
Clue.
Okay.
Kape siya.
Espresso.
Galing. O, tama. Ito. Second song, medyo may feelings to.
Go. Sige.
2 linggo lang ang tinagal bago mo siya ligawan. Hindi ka nga nanloko, pero traidor ka pa rin.
Traitor, Olivia.
Ang galing! Ang galing mo doon na. Okay, nice yan. Okay, 2 out of 3. Tignan natin kung mapa-perfect mo, Lumi.
Okay.
Ito, medyo edgy. Medyo edgy siya. Hindi na siya ganun ka-drama.
Okay.
Gusto ko ng iyong pag-ibig. Gusto ko ng iyong paghihiganti. Pwede tayong sumulat ng masamang pag-iibigan.
Wait.
Ulitin.
Call a friend.
Isa pa.
Isa pa. Gusto ko ng iyong pag-ibig. Gusto ko ng iyong paghihiganti. Pwede tayong sumulat ng masamang pag-iibigan.
Bad Romance.
Bye.
Bad Romance by Lady Gaga.
Yeah! Perfect score. 3 out of 3 for Lumi. Johnny Tries to. Tignan natin kung
Kailangan ako bigla.
kayang-kaya mo rin ba ito?
Hindi ka.
Feeling mo. Kayang-kaya. Let's go. Okay.
I would say so.
So, first song.
Okay. Diyan ka titingin.
Medyo to. May emotions din to.
Okay. Dramatic reading.
Siguro, nawala tayo sa translasyon. Siguro, patapusin mo naman.
Sorry.
Para medyo Siguro nanghingi ako ng sobra. Siguro ito ay isang obra maestra pero sinira mo lang lahat.
Okay. Maybe we got lost in translation. Maybe I asked for Taylor Swift all too well. 10-minute version?
Ang galing.
Yay.
Tama. 1 out of 3. Ito, baliktad naman. Try natin OPM to
English.
So,
okay.
please come home, baby. I am not used to being gone. It's so hard to be alone.
Alam ko to.
Kayo alam ni Lumi. Yung sobrang confident.
Alam ko to, pero kinakanta ko to sa karaoke. Hindi ko alam yung title. Uwi ka na, baby.
Okay.
Hindi na ako sanay na. Hanggang kailan? Orange and Lemon.
Yay! Galing. Tama.
Yes.
So, 2 out of 3. Tignan natin kung makukuha mo perfect score like Lumi. Balik tayo sa English to Filipino. Okay? Bakit hindi mo sabihin kung saan masakit? Gagawan ko ng paraan para umigi.
That's hard.
Talaga? Nakuha mo?
Nakuha mo?
Wait lang, isa pa. Then
Isa
like
pa.
10 seconds ka pa. Ulit. Bakit hindi mo sabihin kung saan masakit? Gagawan ko ng paraan para umigi.
Why don't you tell me where it hurts?
Oo!
Uy, ayun na.
Parang
Ba't di ko alam?
Parang pero na-translate mo.
Why don't you tell me where it hurts? I'll heal you.
Parang Valorant na binigyan ng powers.
Clue.
Clue.
Sige, clue from Lumi.
So baby,
yeah.
I'll tell you how to make it better.
Actually, hindi ko rin alam.
Yung title.
Nasabi mo, Nate.
Tell me where it hurts, baby.
By MYMP. Make your mama proud.
Okay. Alam ko pala yung song. Hindi ko lang alam yung title.
Ayos yun. Sige, ito pambawi mo na lang. Pambawi mo. Hindi, para pareho kayong 3.
Okay. Bonus
Feeling ko ito, lalo na kung nagsascroll ka sa FYP ng TikTok.
Oh, no. Sige.
Alam mo to, viral na viral to. From Filipino to English, I can't escape you, haunt me every night. I can't see anymore, but I can still feel your touch.
Kinakanta ko yun sa mga gig. Multo.
Yan!
Hey!
Kayang-kaya. Okay. 3 out of 4.
3 out of 4.
3 out of 3. At least 3 points para sa ating parehong guest artist. Napaka-talented pagdating sa pagkanta. Napakagaling at napakahusay na rin pagdating sa hulaan ng mga ating other artists. Once again, Lumi at Johnny tries to. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Nag-enjoy naman.
We really did.
Super duper.
Super.
Nice yan. Iba talaga ang husay niyo. Ngayon naman.
Kaki lang to.
Talaga. Narinig nga. Pero in fairness talaga, napakagaling. Pagdating ba sa, for example, nakaka-interact kayo with other artists or people in the industry overall, yung mga nakikinig din sa inyo, or yung mga nag-i-interview sa inyo, nakaka-feel ba kayo usually na parang, okay, tama to. Nandito talaga dapat ako. Deserve ko to. Ganon. Or may times ba nagkaka-imposter syndrome pa rin?
Nung una, I mean, until now pa naman, pero parang I found a space where I felt safe. Parang it feels like a safe place.
That's good.
So, yeah, may imposter syndrome, lalo na sa mga gigs.
Hanggang ngayon?
Yeah, felt.
Yeah.
For you also, Johnny?
Yes, kasi parang lately sa mga ang lalim ng boses ko bigla. lately sa mga nakakasalamuha ko, they're more, I would say, established queer artists. So, pwede ba mag-name drop? My sisters in the music industry, si Steph Aranas, Kumaring Harvey, they're people that I look up to noon and ngayon kasama ko na sila. And parang, syempre, lahat naman tayo, we have our own pace, diba?
That's true.
Parang, sabi nga ng Bini. Pwede ba yan? Sabi nga ng Bini, parang, buhay ay hindi karera. Exactly. Pero, yeah, parang, especially leading up to my latest release, parang, ang dami ko naisip na parang, okay na ba ito? Maganda ba ito? What will the people think? Yung ganon. Parang, although, I want to make it something for me, syempre, hindi rin mawawala talaga, di ba? Parang isipin mo, how would the people receive it? Ganon.
Pero sa tingin nyo ba, lalo na, di ba, as a student artist, as a gumraduate ng psychology, merong nakakatulong somehow dun sa confidence nyo or may kahalagahan yung parang diploma, pagiging college graduate pagdating sa pagiging artist. Kasi 'di ba common na pag-uusapan din 'yun ngayon. Na minsan nga madaming nagsa-sacrifice. Although madaming parang iba yung inaaral, sometimes may iba na nagsa-stop to pursue really the career sa artistry, 'di ba? So, Lumi, for you.
Well, I was told that it's very important. you know, I think it depends on the path that you want to take. Obviously, we don't all have the privilege of going straight into music and, you know, having the funds to fund yourself and fund your artistry. So we do need the degree. We do need the degree to be able to get a job and
to fund your passion.
Yeah, your passion and your life, diba? But there's also a side to it na parang, you know, some people don't have the luxury of getting a degree.
That's true. That's true. So kailangan talaga
to really work hard in the field that they want to do. So para siyang mixed. There's a gray area eh.
Kasi kanya-kanya rin din tayo. Depende talaga dun sa track na kanya-kanya din natin pipiliin.
Yeah.
What about you, Johnny? Tries to?
I would say parang what was the question again?
Na parang gano ba talaga? na lost in
okay, I remember. Having a degree. In the music industry, I would say it's I'm not saying na wag kayo mag-aral. Pero it's not that impactful kung meron or wala. I would say kasi maraming people who really start out music nga, as you mentioned, yung mga I wouldn't say drop out, pero nag-stop na mag-aral para mag-pursue talaga ng music. Pero it really depends then on your circumstances at kung ano yung situation mo. Sabi nga parang we need to fund so our own Gulat nga ako, may mga kakilala kong mga artist din na parang as I mentioned, parang accountant siya.
Oo, nakakagulat talaga.
Like makikita mo siya like slaying on stage, tapos biglang okay, you do taxes.
Yeah, that's the beauty of it though. Na parang that's why we also have discussions like this kasi mas nakikilala natin kayo bilang mga tao na ang dami ding ganap sa buhay. Sabi nga ni Lumi kanina, 'di ba? Na ang dami ding responsibilidad na binabalance. Kaya applause talaga sa inyong dalawa. Johnny, meron ka bang parang mensahe, final panawagan dun sa mga nakikinig to support local artists?
Hi everyone. This is Johnny Tries To, and kayo ay iniimbitahan ko to listen and to give your local artists a chance, or if you have the luxury or time, visit local gigs, diba?
Tama.
You might find your next favorite band, artist, or soloist there, diba? Parang it's fun. It's really fun to surround yourself with music. Ako lately parang nag-enjoy ako sa mga ganon. Even when I'm not performing, parang giving nag-enjoy talaga ako kasi
being
iba
in
yung
that space, being in that environment na lahat kayo nagsusupport talaga ng ating local artists.
Yes, ayun lang yung masasabi ko. Parang look out for events near you.
Yeah.
What about you, Lumi?
I think for me, kasi in our culture now, it's a compliment to be gatekept. You know, parang, uy, gatekeep ko yan.
Wag naman.
Parang sana
siguro, you can siguro it's a compliment to be gatekept. But try sometimes naman i-share mo.
Share niyo naman, guys.
Share naman.
So kung speaking of sharing music, final question bago ko kayo tanungin na i-plug ang inyong socials, saan kayo mahanap, any upcoming releases. Ano ang soundtrack niyo bilang Isko Musikero?
Ako, you can follow me on Instagram at LumiOfficial __ and Lumi on Spotify. Everywhere. Yeah.
Johnny?
Hello, I am Johnny Tries To on Instagram, so that's Johnny Tries To. And on Spotify, Johnny Tries To also.
So, a final soundtrack ng buhay nyo, I'm gonna assume na own song? Own song na pinakagusto nyo marinig nila?
Akin by
Lumi at Friends or Foe.
No, I personally would recommend What You Want better. That's my favorite song to perform.
Okay, well, thank you guys so much. Once again, Lumi and Johnny Tries To. Palakpakan po natin sila mga kasali. At maraming salamat po talaga sa inyong dalawa sa tunay ng pinasaya nyo kami ngayong araw with the performances, with the games, at itong makabuluhang chikahan natin. Sa ngayon, bago tayo matapos, nagpapaalam na nga talaga tayo. So sana hindi muna tayo parang mag-stop sa pakikinig ng ating OPM artists at lahat-lahat kasi ipapaabot pa natin ang kwentong to sa iba. Sobrang empowering. Makikita na natin ngayon na marami, tulad ng sinabi ni Johnny Tries to kanina, na madami po tayong events at lahat na mapupuntahan. Bantayan natin pagdating sa mga local communities natin. Dito na po nagtatapos ang isa sa ating episode na Kwentuhang May Utak, Kwentuhang May Puso at Kwentuhang May Boss na rin sa UP Atin To. Para sa mas marami pang makabuluhang discussion sa loob at labas ng ating oblation, makinig lang po tayo sa DZUP 1602 sa inyong mga radyo at bisitahin din natin ang ating website na dzup.org. Huwag din natin kalimutan na i-like ang ating official YouTube channel at Facebook page, ang DZUP Facebook at DZUP YouTube. At syempre, hindi din tayo magpapahuli sa mga balita sa university at sa ating mga komunidad. Follow po natin ang facebook.com/DZUP Balita. May mga fellow interns tayo dyan. At present din po kami sa X, formerly known as Twitter, at syempre pati na rin sa Instagram. Kaya naman po sa ngalan ng aming mga grupo or groupmates na mga fellow interns din natin dyan, kasama natin ngayon sa booth na binubuo ni Direk Joe Guerrero, Stream Director Liam Dones at Assistant Director Tracy Dalit. Ako po muli si Helena Basilio, isa ang inyong host, at laging tatandaan dito sa DZUP 1602, kasali ka!
Kwentuhang May Utak,
Kwentuhang May Puso.
Kasali ka! Lunes hanggang Biyernes sa DZUP 1602, kasali ka.